Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll do the another benchmark test on the OnePlus Nord 2 device using the Realme cooling clip. As you can see friends, finally let's see how well the temperatures will be maintained in the OnePlus Nord 2 by using the Realme cooling clip on the back side. This is what I'm going to test in this video. So let's see what is the initial temperatures of the phone. Before starting the test, let's check what is the temperatures. So right now the temperature is about 31 degrees, as you can see on the back side, 31.2, not bad. My room temperature is pretty low. It's only 30 degrees, my room temperature. There is no AC, there is no cooler in my room, nothing at all. So 31 degrees, 31.2, not bad. And front side 31 degrees, as you can see, 31.8. So complete phone, I did maintain very low temperatures before starting the test. Okay, so 31 degrees is a basic temperature which you are experiencing in this phone, not bad. So in my previous testings, I did see the temperatures increasing up to 40 degrees and 41 degrees as well during the Antutu benchmark test results. I'll be able to compare now versus before results. So in this way, we'll be able to get to know using this Realme cooling clip, will it make any kind of sense in the OnePlus Nord 2 device or not. And during this process of demonstration, let me do to clear everything from the background. So all the apps are completely clean. Let me do to clean everything here as well. Yep, completely Wi-Fi also switched off, completely done. As you can see, everything completely clean from the backside as well. Let me do decrease the brightness to 50%. So 50% brightness I'm trying to decrease. And first let's try to do the reboot. So every time before doing the Antutu benchmark test, I need to do the reboot test just for the safety reasons, because a lot of other users also they did mention same thing. Can you please do the restart before doing the Antutu benchmark test? That's what I'm trying to see. So the position which I'll be selecting is this position, because I cannot get in this position because of this camera bump that will definitely not touch this cooling pad. It will not touch this surface. So that is the reason I need to select this kind of exact location. So in this location, it will be able to touch the exact phone surface. Now we'll be able to see how much difference it's making. So before starting the test, 31.8 degrees, as you can see, surrounding temperature, how it is in the surrounding temperatures. Slightly close to each other only in the surrounding temperatures. Now we'll be able to see the difference, whether it will make any kind of sense or not using the Realme cooling clip. So I'll try to use the high performance mode. High performance mode, RAM boost, both will be turned on during the process of demonstration. So don't worry about that. Let's go to the battery and let's go to the more battery settings. High performance mode is turned on. Let's go back and there's additional settings and RAM boost also turned on. Now let me need to open the Antutu benchmark application. So Antutu benchmark application is also open right now. So before results were 6,71,000, as you can see, 6,71,000, and you can see the temperatures also how much it got increased. 6.5 degrees got increased during the process of demonstration. Now let's see, while using this Realme cooling clip, how much temperature can actually increase in this phone. That is what I'm going to exactly check. So this is my exact position, as you can see friends. I'm trying to push to the maximum. So this surface is touching exactly with the phone, no issues. Yes, as you can see, just a little bit it's kind of touching. So let's switch on the Realme cooling clip and RGB lighting is also turned on, as you can see friends. And let's start the test without wasting any time. 50% set, everything is set, done, and let's continue. So right now the temperature start to increase a little bit, not much, because the phone has been started, that is the reason. Now let's see how much the temperatures can actually go using the Realme cooling clip. That is what I'm going to exactly check. I did start the stopwatch as well, just for the demonstration purpose only. After 5 minutes of doing the Antutu benchmark test, again I'll be back. So we'll get to know how is the temperatures increasing during this time of demonstration. That's the main purpose of me starting the stopwatch. So again I'll be back after a couple of minutes friends, maybe close to 5 minutes of time. Then we can actually take a look at the temperatures. So right now the time is about close to I think 7 minutes of time, as you can see. Right now the temperature increased to 39 degrees. It did not cross above 40. No, above 40 did not go this time. So it was around maximum. I did see only 39 degrees during this time of testing. On the back side, it's 36 degrees. It's quite shocking to see 36, 35, 34. Not bad. 36 only, as you can see friends, on the back side. 35.6, 35, 36, 33. 34 exactly side of this cooling clip, as you can see, not bad on the back side. When the front side is not bad, 38 degrees, as you can see friends. Overall, (37) and 38, not bad at all. Using the cooling clip, I think it might be able to work on this OnePlus Nord 2 device to make this phone a bit kind of cool. I need to try the Realme cooling clip while playing the game. So I need to do that kind of gaming test as soon as possible. I'll try to do very soon for you all, in case if you are interested. So maybe playing the Genshin Impact game, so which is the one game which increases the temperature in the OnePlus Nord 2 very faster. I'll try to do that kind of test as soon as possible. So we'll be able to know how is the temperature in this phone using the Realme cooling clip. I'll definitely focus those things right now. Right now 92% of the Antutu benchmark score right now we got here. 92%, not bad. 92. So next see what will happen next. So my expectations are kind of okay, I would say, satisfied, because before I did see increasing temperature up to 41 degrees and above 40 degrees as well in the Antutu benchmark score. That is what I'm trying to talk. But right now I can definitely say not much. 36 degrees, 36.4, 34, not bad, I would say. So it feels kind of really cool when I try to keep my hand here. Yes. Let me check inside the fan how much the temperature. 32 degrees, 32, 34 inside this fan, as you can see here. 32, not bad. Let's see, friends, what will be the Antutu benchmark score using the Realme cooling clip. Can this increase the Antutu benchmark score? Making the phone cooler, can the score actually increase? Same settings I am trying to use from the before to now. Nothing has been changed. So 5,72,000. Yes, friends, slightly the score got increased. So I'm not saying because of this one Realme cooling clip, I'm not saying that, but just as you can see the score 6,72,000 using the Realme cooling clip. So this is a new record in the OnePlus Nord 2 in my device. Yes, exactly. I'll try to take this screenshot and I'll try to keep in this, because this is my highest record so far I got in the OnePlus Nord 2. Yes. Let me show you the before screenshot. Before and after we'll be able to compare. The score slightly increase the brightness, so you'll be able to see 6,71,000 before, and right now the score was 6,72,000. Just a little bit got increased, but not much, but just a little bit. As you can see the difference how it is before and now, just a little bit. But one thing is that the CPU and the GPU performance decreased, but other scores got increased. That might be the reason, but still I'm just trying to compare both, as you can see here. And the temperature increased by, before it was 6.5 degrees. 6.5 degrees. Right now it increased by 6 degrees. That's what the results are showing here, as you can see. But outside when I test, the temperatures were below 40 only. The highest was 39 when I did test using the thermometer. That is what outside readings are. So this is the exact thing, complete test, friends, using the Realme cooling clip. Now let's do final thing. I'll try to remove the Realme cooling clip and I'll try to check exact temperatures, what it is. On the side it is 35 degrees, on both sides as you can see 35 degrees side. Okay, now let's check under this fan. 30 degrees, so 4 degrees less than the other. So 30 degrees, friends, on this one. 23, 22, not bad. 23 and 22. So 23 and 22 I'm getting on this Realme cooling clip. Wow, some kind of moisture is there on this one. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries regarding these both phones, let me know in the comment section below. And this is my all-time highest Android benchmark score I got in the OnePlus Nord 2, 6,72,000 in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Don't forget to check the playlist for the OnePlus Nord 2 device in case if you are having any other doubts. Until then, stay tuned, friends. Bye.